Well, it's a beautiful afternoon, winter afternoon, a balmy 17 degrees out. So I just thought I'd come outside, get some fresh air. And as I did, the owl flew off. It was sitting on a tree near the back door, and he flew off. But right now, I'm gonna go get the bird seed out of the barn and fill the bird feeders. Since we're in the barn, you can check on the chicas. They're all sitting there getting ready to wind up their day. What are you doing over here by yourself? Oh, look what I found. 2 eggs. Thank you, girls. Thank you, ladies. We will scoop them up. Laredo, what you doing, honey? Hey, Lyra. How you doing? How's everybody? Not too bad today, is it? Good weather. And we have Naughty Luna up on there. All right. No, I'm not going to let you out right now because I got to fill the bird feeders. I have things to do. But I will let you out soon, I promise. Okay? Peachy back there. Lyra and Luna. And Lily, the pregnant doe. And Laredo, the wild one. Okay, let's get birdseed. Take it easier with my hands. Yeah. All right. I don't know if you could see that owl take off. He did. I knew he would as soon as I opened the door. It's right up in that tree. Let's see. It's so hard to see. Oh. Nope. I can't find him. Ah, there he is. I don't know if you can see him. Okay, so we're at this bird feeder. Knock off the snow. And take it down. Fill it up. It's not the easiest one to fill. I'm afraid. And this post right there is where that owl was sitting when I came out. 1 feeder filled, 2 to go. Okay, here we are again. I do. Fill up this one. Okay, and add some peanuts for the cardinals. At least that's my hope. 2 down, 1 to go. I didn't really show it, but 3 filled. We'll have some happy birds.